Set your intentions for today's practice. We're going to lift our heart, lower our shoulders down out of the ears. Place the hands lightly on our thighs. Flip those palms up. Close your eyes. Connect to your heart center. And just feel your breath, just your natural inhalation and exhalation. Feeling the rhythm of that breath. Connecting to the rhythm of the heart and the rhythm of the mind. Bring your hands to your heart. Set your intentions for today's practice. One more breath here. Bring your hands back down to your thighs and open your eyes.